Today, I'm going to show you what to do if your USB device does not show up in VMware Workstation Pro 25H2. So, my VM didn't work just a few moments ago, so I want to show you how to fix it. First, you'll be in your settings. What I mean by that is you click on your VM and you click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings and go to USB controller if it's there. Perfect. The next thing we're going to do is open up services, type in services.msc. Go down for VMware USB. I don't remember exactly. I also don't know. So just look for this. I'm just going to stop it to show you how to launch it. Go to properties. It's not set as automatic. If it's manual, just set on automatic, and while you're there, click on start. And if that doesn't work, I did something that fixed it. That definitely fixed it. So go into VMware Workstation, player, which is 25, player. Open it. Might be different. It might just be called VMware Workstation Player. And you will see this your VM. So click on Play Virtual Machine, and now you can see doesn't do it immediately, but you know how it works, right? So we're going to disconnect it and connect it to the host. And while that works, we're going to go to the one. So now you can see our device boots. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video, which is coming tomorrow, the 2025 last video before a 2026 special. So like this video and subscribe. I want 1K by 2030. Don't ask me why. That's a deadline. Bye.